right? So it is difficult for my model because model don't understand words, right? Facebook can automatically detect that, okay, this friend's name is that and this friend name is this. One robot has already like defeated one human who is world champion. So okay, the next thing is your AI in industry. Okay, so for specific applications of AI, it includes expert system, NLP, like natural language processing. I will tell you what is that, speech recognition and machine vision. Okay, so NLP is something okay, where it can read, our model can read the natural language. So when we are talking, we don't like there are so many other languages, right? So it is difficult for my model because model don't understand words, right? So I need to make my model understand what I'm talking. So that is not possible with the help of words because machine don't understand words. So we need to convert them into numbers. Okay, so this process is called the NLP. Okay, so this is not a one step process, it includes a lot of things, not lot of steps. Okay, and speech recognition, like we all know, okay, when we are searching something, we use the Google's like we just need to on the audio and we can ask whatever we are asking, and it's comes with the words, like it types its own, right? So those things can be done, like for all these things there are so many industries we are implementing this AI techniques. Okay, and AI has been the focus of research for more than 30 years. So this is not like a recent things, it's coming from last 30 years. Okay, during this time major advances has been made in this area of technology. For example, more powerful hardware and software and improved computing power and data transmission using artificial intelligence creates entirely new opportunities for flexible efficient production. Okay, so it's making things easier. Today the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines far outspaces humans ability to absorb, interpret and make complex decisions based on the data. Okay, so in industry also AI making things better with the not only with the help of humans, with the machine as well. Okay, now coming to the types. Yeah. So types of artificial intelligence. So AI can be divided into four categories. Okay. Now, before going to that four category, I can tell you there is another way we can divide our types. Okay. One is narrow, one is general, and another one is strong. So narrow is something, let's say, you are like whenever you can see, okay, when we are posting something in Facebook, if we want to tag someone, when we are going to tag someone with the help of that face only, like there is maybe two of your friends are there in that picture, Facebook can automatically detect that, okay, this friend's name is that and this friend name is this. Okay, Facebook can do that, right? And you just need to click on that name only, right? So that one is narrow AI, where AI is doing a specific work which you ask for. Okay, now for general AI, it takes time and you need to train your data accordingly with the help of previous experiences. Okay, and for strong AI, this is something, first this AI first take the experience and next it predicts from its own. So that is called the strong AI, where it's taking the experience and the next step when you showing something new to the model, it's telling the, okay, it can be done, predicting something new. Okay, so that is the strong AI. Okay, now coming to the four types of AI. Let's go to the four types of AI. Okay, so these four are reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self awareness. So now coming to that, what is reactive machine? Okay, So reactive machines are designed to complete only a limited number of specialized duties. Let's say I teach a robot how to play chess, okay, and that robot can play chess only, okay. So that is a reactive machine. You like, now robots can play with a human as well, okay. Even there is an example, one robot has already like defeated one human who is world champion, so robot can do that as well. Okay, so that is a reactive machine. You have learned machine something and machine is performing that particular task only. Okay, now coming to limited memory. AI has the ability to store previous data and predictions when gathering information and weighing potential decision. Essentially looking into the past for clues or what may come next. So it's actually taking the experiences from previous data and predicting the next step. Okay, so it's taking the clues from the past and predicting the next step. Okay, now within this limited memory there are other subparts as well, where it includes reinforcement learning or RNN. So reinforcement learning is something where you are you are giving one like some you are giving points to your, like if it's going good, you are giving points to your model, okay, and if it's doing the wrong thing, then you are like giving the punishment, okay. So from that gift and from that punishment, your model is learning, okay, which activity is right and which one is wrong, okay. So this is called reinforcement learning. You are punishing it, you are like gifting it with the help of those activities. Your model is learning slowly. Okay, coming to the next thing, your RNN is something where we can translate our sentences. Okay, so when it's in a sequential manner, we took the help of RNN. Okay, in that case, whenever we are trying to translate our English, sometimes we write like this, English to Hindi or English to Bengali, and we put some English sentence in Google, and Google translate it. How it does it's with the help of RNN. Okay, yeah, Prakash, like we anyways we will come on that part. Okay, so how about single player in chess or ludo? So you can see when you are playing alone, like in opposite side there is a bot only, so you can't play alone. Like playing alone in a ludo, it's like doing nothing, right? So you can win or you can lose, there is no meaning. So whenever we are playing alone, there is another side is like there is a bot who is playing opposite of you, right? Okay, yeah. The next thing is type of artificial intelligence. The rest two things. So two we have already discussed. The rest two was theory of mind. Okay, so theory of mind is based on the psychological premise of understanding that other living things have thoughts and emotions that affects the behavior of oneself. So we are trying to make my bot or my model understand, okay, if you have emotions, how you will react. Okay, so we are actually trying to uh, make my model feeling like a human only. Okay, now the next thing is self awareness. That is also a sub part of theory of mind. Okay, where we are like AI realizes both on human researchers understanding the premise of consciousness and then learning how to replicate that so it can be built into machine. So this is somewhere we are trying to connect AI and human, okay, together, so that we are feeling like this is our AI future, where we are trying to make my bot or my robot like building emotions or like how if I'm a human, with the help of all my emotions, or I'm going through some emotion, whatever it is, what will be my decision. So I'm trying to make my bot or my model understand, okay, if you are a human, how you will react on this. Okay, so these are the futures of our AI. Now coming to the usage of AI in our everyday life, we already talked about this. Okay, so in voice assistance, in image recognition of face, unlocking a phone, in like there are so many phones where you can like unlock your phone with the help of your face only. So in that case, image recognition, personalized marketing, smart input keyboards, sorry, smart input keyboards matlab like there are so many keyboards you can install for your phone, and like in normal keyboards also there are autocorrector, and there are translator, and like you are saying something in English and it will be converted in your dialect only. And there are so many things like that you can install from outside, or you have in your phone only it has. So those smart input keywords I'm talking about, and email based financial fraud detection. Okay, nowadays we need to just build a model so that I'm putting a data on this and we can detect the fraud in or if you have a lot of data or of customer, you are working in a bank and you have a lot of customers, and you just need to find out, okay, which one should get a loan and how much should be the limitation. You can get everything with the help of email. You don't need to think on it, you don't need to do anything on that. You just need to build your model and you can get all the data from that. Okay. Okay, Mohammed, I got you. Okay, so the next thing is area to focus to crack a job in the industry. Okay, so when you are entering into this domain, it depends what role you want to perform. Okay, so if you want to be a data engineer, the different things, the requirements are different. Okay, so if you want to be a data engineer, you need to work on your performing programming skill. That could be anything, any programming language. Okay, C++, Python, whatever suits. Okay, you need to know about that. Or cloud computing technologies, big data, you need to learn how to handle big datas. Okay, you need to there are other things you need to work on. Okay, and if you want to be a data analyst, it is more about predicting the company's future. Okay, the sales and everything. If you are going to perform any activity or not, if you are going to perform one sale for this particular month, what will be the output, whether we should go for it or not. Okay, so in that case, your communication skill should be uh, like uh, in a high the in high the your communication skill should be a little bit more will be more valuable. And your business domain knowledge, all these things will be you need to learn how to handle SQL, and you need to learn a little bit about programming languages. Okay, and when you are working with you want to be a data scientist, you need to know how to juggle everything. Okay, you need to know the how statistics work in data science, how maths work, how programming skill, what are the programming skill you have. The you need to learn how to handle big datas. Okay, so this is the same thing only, business decisions and all these things, the previous slide only. Okay, now how to crack a job. If you want to crack a job, you can take the help of all these sites. Okay, and you need to learn okay, how to optimize each of your profile. Okay, in LinkedIn also you need to keep optimizing your profile so that it comes faster, like in like when recruiters are searching for a similar kind of employee, so that person can get your name fast. So for that you need to keep updating your profile on a daily basis. So it is very important for LinkedIn and Naukri, for other sites as well. But LinkedIn and Naukri are nowadays in like hike, people, like you can take like Naukri is enough actually. And all these things you can go for, like Angel List is more about startup companies. Okay, and Hirect is also like that only. Okay, but from LinkedIn and Naukri you can get good companies like who have huge number of employees. Okay, so those things you can do from Indeed also. Indeed